although I saw it in the mirror, when you see yourself every day, it can be a little difficult to see how much of a change has occurred. And once I put them side by side, it was a wow result. It's Amanda from Reflection Center for Skin and Body, and today I'm here to tell you about my personal experience with Softwave. Back in July, Dr. Jefferson treated my lower face, submental, and neck area. I was really excited to do this because I did have a couple of different areas of concern that I wanted to address. The first one being my early jowling I've been starting to notice. I also had some smile lines that were starting to become creased as well, but most importantly, as my submental laxity here. So just like any patient doing something for the first time, I was a little bit nervous beforehand. There's always the fear of the unknown, and for me, that was what the Softwave was gonna feel like and what the results were gonna look like. The best way I can describe to you what the Softwave feels like is almost like the ocean. When the water comes in and hits the sand and then it recedes, the Softwave is similar to that effect because of its pulsing rhythm. When the Softwave treatment starts, you feel a rising of this hot prickly sensation, then it peaks, and then it falls until you don't feel it, and then that just repeats itself until the treatment is complete. My treatment took about 30 minutes long, and it was really different from other treatments. For example, a Fraxel laser, where you feel that sensation from start to finish and it's very consistent throughout. I think that's why I tolerated the Softwave so well, is because you almost have little breaks in between little pulses. So as someone who doesn't describe themselves as having a very high pain tolerance, I was surprised with how well I did with this. It's also important to note that we are now providing topical numbing for our patients for about 30 to 45 minutes prior to their treatment. I did not have any, but I can only imagine how much more comfortable that makes the Softwave treatment itself. To talk about my results, 4 months after my treatment, I took my after photos and I was absolutely blown away. All of my areas of concern saw improvement. My submental area especially really tightened up and looked so smooth. My profile was amazing looking. And for anybody who's looking to get natural results and natural improvement, Softwave is the treatment for you. Even if you're looking to turn back the hands of time or just kind of keep up and do an anti-aging treatment, Softwave is a great choice. It can be hard to identify those kind of changes over that period of time because you look at yourself every day. But I think looking at those before and after photos really kind of took it home about how much improvement I really achieved. So I'm really excited about Softwave. I will be doing it again without a doubt, maybe in another year or so, just to keep up with my results from my first treatment, but also to prevent any further aging and keep my skin in the best quality it can be. If you're interested in hearing about some other treatments that I've had done, we'll link a video down below where I go into my favorites and which treatments really impact my life the most. Don't forget, if you have questions, please leave them down below. We would love to hear from you, and we hope to see you soon.